It's killing them all, of course. It's killing them all, of course.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. This is my first makeup video, and feeling all sorts of ways today. I must tell you guys, I recorded this video like maybe 4 times, and every time I just didn't like the footage. So today I decided to record everything all over again. And also I had like this moment today where I thought I wasn't going to film anything, but I just had to overcome and push through and get this video out for you guys. I'm happy to be here again, and if you're here watching me right now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to give you 1 minute, no, 30 seconds to just hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting for? Join the family. So today I'm going to be reviewing the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I've had this foundation for about 2 weeks, and I've been wearing it every day for 2 weeks, and I must say I really like the foundation. So I'm just going to jump right in and use the foundation on my face. I already have my brows and my eye makeup right now, and what I have is basically what I wear to work every day: my brows and my lashes, no eyeshadow because girls no rush. So I'm just gonna jump right in, do my foundation, and let you guys see what it looks like. Guys, at the NYX store I went not crazy but a little gaga. I got like 4 items. I went there to just get 1 item, and I ended up getting 4 items. Number 1 was obviously the foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This has been out for like a month and a half right now, and I got the shade Mocha. I also got the NYX buffing foundation brush, which looks like this. Jackie, I know, talks about this brush a lot, and I decided to try it out. It's currently clean and I like it. I like it on my face. Another item I got was the NYX Crimson High Definition Blush in Crimson, and it looks like a bright orange red blush. I also got the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Singles, and this is the shade Holo. At first I was scared about this color because it looked sort of gray and like a brownish gray, like it just had like this gray thing I was worried about, but I like it now. Another thing I got was the NYX HG Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Nutmeg. I'm just gonna tell you guys right away, I'm not so impressed with this concealer. I still use it because I bought it and I didn't want to do a return or an exchange. So let's jump in. I've already done my skincare, and what I basically use on my face right now is the One Essential Skin Boosting Serum from Dior. If you don't know, I work with Dior. This is the first thing I use on my face. Then I used my Lancome, I don't know what this is, but it's a moisturizer, and it looks like this is a sample jar. Yeah, by Lancome. And next thing, I already used all that on my face, but I'm going to be using, I can't find the cover. I'm going to be using the Dior Capture Total Dream Skin. This I love. This is my new primer skincare routine right now, and I'm enjoying the process. So I'm just gonna put this like on my face and what it does is it blurs out the pores and fine lines on my face. So this is like one of our best sellers at Dior, and I really love it. Like, for someone that is not so keen on routine like me, I have sort of just started, like every time I'm doing my makeup and getting ready, like I just reach for this automatically. What was that? automatically. Anyways, guys, so my face is all prepped and it's time for me to use the foundation. I got, like I said, I got the shade Mocha, which I think is, I thought it was a bit too red or orange or something, but after wearing this foundation for 2 weeks, like, it's my perfect shade. Anyway, I just took like 3 pumps of the foundation and I'm just going to start blending all over my face. There's something about a clean brush. It makes me happy. So on like every day when I go to work, this is all I do. I do not correct my, I don't color correct my eye pigmentation because I'm always in a rush. It's not like I'm always in a rush, but I just can't be bothered like sometimes. And it's work. I might get to work and go and clean my makeup. I think that covered pretty good. I'm just going to take one more pump to cover my forehead area. Looking blessed. Looking good. I think this foundation blends really good. Like, you can see how effortless the blending was, and it looks super nice. So I'm going to be using the concealer. Oh my god. I'm going to be using the concealer that I don't like under my eyes. When I'm going to work, I really don't do a lot of highlight and contour, but I just try to once in a while highlight under my eyes and, you know, do the best I can. So, and I also use the same brush. I practically use this brush for everything I do. My concealer, my powder, my foundation. Like, this brush I suffer. So, like I said, like, I don't see anything that this concealer has done under my eyes. So that's why I'm not so keen about the concealer. This concealer is not helping me. I just keep packing it on, but I don't see what it's doing in my life. So just I don't know if it's maybe that I don't use enough, or I don't use the right brush. Maybe I should actually try another brush. So done with my foundation and my concealer, and I think that looks, I think my face looks really good. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my loose powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder in the shade Deep 35 Deep. This was the first thing I got when I got to Canada. This was the first makeup item I purchased. Like, I practically ran to the store and I was like, please, can I have the Maybelline? And they're like, okay, you can have it. So I'm going to put this all over my face to just set my entire face. Like, this powder makes me happy. Like, it makes me happy every time I use this powder on my foundation. It makes me smile, it makes me laugh, it makes me just feel like I've got sunshine. Yeah, that powder is amazing. Ooh. So what do you guys think so far? Loving or not? So next thing I'm gonna do is contour my face, and I'm going to be using that contour powder that I bought. So when I first got it, I thought it was too gray. I just thought it was too gray, but then I tried it. Like I said, I've tried recording this video multiple times. So one of those times I was recording, I was actually I was talking about how I couldn't see the effect of this contour, but then I started using it and it was good. I'm using this Debbie Luster brush that I stole from Debbie Luster herself. So I'm just going to, okay, you guys can see it because I can see it in the camera and you guys can see it. So for some reason I have other contour powders, but this one, I've been reaching for this one countlessly. Next thing I'm going to do is my nose. I'm going to use the same brush and just try to make it as close together as possible. It's not looking bad. So I'm just going to use that same foundation buffing brush from NYX to just jam everything together. So next thing I'm going to be taking my blush, and I'm using the NYX blush, the shade in Crimson, and I'm going to be using that super lightly because this blush is very, very pigmented and you can see that it's super bright. So I'm just going to put it. Like, I don't need so much. Ooh. Every time I wear my makeup, like when I'm done with my makeup, I might be feeling very, very dull. But the moment my makeup comes together, best believe that I'll be so hyper because it's a feeling, it's a vibe that I can't explain. Anyways, done with that. So next thing I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush, highlighting brush, and I'm just going to highlight my face. So even though I'm in a hurry and everything is doing me when I'm going to work, I never forget to highlight my face. God forbid bad thing. Like, I reject the day that I would actually forget to highlight my face. So for my highlight, I can't find the lid for this, but I'm using the Miss Rose shimmer highlighter. I got this on AliExpress back when I was in Nigeria, and I just like this really dark bronzy glow because it's just very, very so let's blend that. Ooh. So even if I'm not wearing eyeshadow, like, the glow has to be real. Hello. So I was saying, can you see my face? Yeah, even sometimes when I don't wear highlighters to work, I always have someone that just the dog, but where's your highlighter? Like, my highlighter has become like my trademark these days. So I don't want to disappoint anybody. So Man. Thank you, Jesus, that I'm not vain. So I'm going to be using an eyeshadow brush to just apply it on the tip of my nose. I mean, I said this makeup was simple, but I don't have to be simple. Just saying. So to set everything in place, I'm using my second favorite powder. It used to be my favorite powder until this Maybelline came into my life. This was my favorite powder, the Zaran Maxi Blend Compact Powder in the shade XZ25, and I'm just going to be taking that same brush to just, you know, lock everything in. Oh my god, oh my god, this is glow goals. I should be your glow goals, just so you know. So last but definitely not least, I'm going to be doing my lips. And usually when I'm going to work, I usually just wait till I get to work and get inspired by the numerous colors I have at the Dior counter to choose my lipstick. But today I'm going to be using my Character 3D lip gloss in CLA 26. It's just a very pinky nude, so I'm just going to be doing that really lightly inside my lips. So I don't line my lips or anything, but I think this looks really good. Oh yeah, this looks good. So let's unleash the hair. Yeah. So like I said, I love the foundation very much, very much. I love the foundation, and I don't care so much for the concealer. Really, I could do without the concealer, but I love the foundation. It's really matte. Sometimes like I don't touch up my face at work, and I have combination skin, so that's really good for me. And I like the blush, and I like the contour powder. Like I never expected I was going to like this color, but I like it. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video, and thank you guys for watching till the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I already mentioned that my channel is a makeup channel, so I'm going to jump right into putting out makeup and beauty videos. So if you still want to know anything about Canada, leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you again for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Because of you, I get to goosebumps all over. This feeling got